Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In this lesson we will discuss how to design this login system in Java JFrame system. Okay. So before go to project, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For this, go to file and then new project Java next and give the project name. For example, PR1. Okay, PR1 and then finish. So this will create. So after that, go to in the file, right click and go to new JFrame form. Click on this one. So in here you give the name of one login system. So login system and then click on the finish. Click on the finish. This will be prepared. This will appear. After that you can increase the size of this one. Okay, so increase the size. For example, so click on here and increase the size. So after that you can give panel. So in here we'll bring a panel and increase the size. For style this one, so go to properties. After properties, go to border, click on three dot and then you can give bevel border. If you use some other design, you can select and lower or rest. So after that, okay, this one. So and then you can go to plate, swing controls and label. Okay, so in here control aim, for example, username and then click on here, double click and go to what? Go to font, increase the font size. So after that, Control plus C, Control plus V. So copy this one and bring in here. For example, password. Okay. So after this, you can use the text box or password box. So after that, when you go to here and then select text field, increase the size. And right click, edit text, delete this one. Other one, password field, so click this one or click this one and increase the size. Again right click, edit text and then. So after that you can bring a button. For example, which button do you use? Button. So click in here and bring this one. Right click, edit text and give login. So after this one, hold Control plus C, Control plus V, duplicate this one and bring here. Right click and then edit text. For example, exact. Okay. So first I could. For exact button, right click and go to what event action in action performed. After this one, so in here I will code for this one. So click in integer a equal to, first I get one variable integer a equal to integer a equal to j option pen dot confirm dialog, j option pen dot confirm dialog dot show confirm dialog. show confirm dialog. So select this one. Okay, so and then give null and then right click, double quotation, are you sure, you want exit. So after this one and then double quotation, any message you can hear, for example Ani, and then jai option pain dot show yes no dot show yes dot option pane dot yes no option. Select this one in here semicolon and then come here. I have one condition, if a is a double equal to 0 and then system will be exit, system dot exit bracket in 0. Okay, so after that you can run this file. Right click in go to what, go to run file. Yeah, bring in here. Okay, so this one is, you will be there dot, for example my name is Ahmad and the password is 123. Click on exit button. Do you want to exit? If you want to exit application, click on the yes, and if you don't want to exit from this application, no, and I want to exit, yes, click on this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.